Hibernating a LinkedIn account. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This video is for those who want to take a break from LinkedIn without deleting their account. I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate it. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Enjoy this type of content? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. It's a quick and easy process. I'm on LinkedIn's site, logged in. Click your profile picture at the top. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down in Settings and Privacy. Under Account Preferences, first option, scroll all the way down. In Account Management, you'll see Close Account, which we don't want. You'll also see the option to hibernate your account. Click on that option. Here it warns that account hibernation temporarily disables your profile. You can reverse this by logging back in after 24 hours. So if you activate hibernation after 24 hours, you can reactivate it anytime if you change your mind. Your profile won't be visible to anyone, not even your friends. Your previous activities remain intact, but your photo and profile name will be removed. No one will be able to find or message you on your LinkedIn profile. If you have a premium subscription, it'll be automatically cancelled when you hibernate your account. Your subscription types will be reactivated when you reactivate your profile. Just click here to put your account into hibernation. You can choose why you decided to hibernate your account. Options include need a break, too many emails, or security concerns. Choose one of these options and click Next. Enter your password to confirm putting your account into hibernation. If you've done it, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, God bless, and thanks for watching.